What up? This is Snor's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make leche flan.
What up? This is Snor's Kitchen.
So the main ingredients that we're gonna use today are eggs, lime. So we have lime zest here, and some of the lime juice. We have condensed milk, evaporated milk, some salt, and I'm missing something. Oh yeah, we had some sugar there, but we're gonna talk about it later. So the first things that we need to do is to separate the yolk and the egg white. For this recipe, we will use 6 eggs. We're gonna have a small batch here. This recipe will yield 2 llaneras of leche flan. Melt the sugar on low heat using the llanera or leche flan mold. Be patient with it. Try not to burn the sugar. So right now we're taking out the zest from the lime, but of course, like traditionally, you can use calamansi or you can also use lemon. Lemon's gonna be a little bit sweeter, I think, sweeter smelling. Once everything's done, once you've prepared the eggs, the lime, and of course open the cans, we're gonna mix them all together. So we have the eggs here, we're gonna mix the condensed milk. So this one's really thick. Just try to get as much of it out of there. It's really creamy. Or it's really thick and has a lot of sugar too, I think. Anyway, I don't think we need to add more sugar to this. Anyway, just keep going. I add the evaporated milk. I start mixing it a little bit. So we have to mix it slowly. Otherwise, there's gonna be a lot of air. You can now add the lime juice. We're gonna add a dash of salt. Maybe a little bit more. Just taking my time here, mixing some leche flan. So this is what it's supposed to look like. So next thing we're gonna do is strain the mixture. Make sure to pour it in really slowly. Just try to prevent air from getting in there. You want a really thick leche flan. So I'm really focused here. Patience is a virtue. Once you strained everything, you can add the lime zest. I wiped the spatula earlier so that there's no gunk in there. Mix it slightly only. You don't want any additional air. And that should be good. So the reason why we use this measuring cup is so that we can pour it in. Pour it slowly to the mold. I'm gonna go to the other side just so we make sure that's even. A little bit extra. Is that good? Just kind of roll it over, or just use a smaller foil. But at this point, I'm just committing to this. So we have our 2 llaneras here, and next we're gonna make a water bath. So once we have your 2 llaneras ready, we are going to use the water bath method. So in this method, we're going to use an oven, and we're going to make sure that our llaneras are submerged in about 1 inch of water. This will make sure that your leche flan doesn't get burnt. Green machine. Practice yan. So this is our finished product. All you have to do is unwrap it. We let it sit in the fridge overnight in order to have a firm leche flan. Also, it makes it easier to take it out of the mold. So we're just gonna use a knife and a spoon. So we're just gonna gently follow the edges here. If you can see that, just kind of be careful. Well, it's never gonna be perfect, I guess. But I guess you can try. Do you see the lime there? That's the hint of lime. You can't really see the salt, but you know. So that's how we made our leche flan. Thanks for watching. Be a pal. Like this video. Subscribe for more Snor.